Hey, third graders, welcome back to our second round of Put It on the Line. Miss Musto is here with us again today, and let's see who wins today when we go head to head. All right, so Miss Musto, I'm looking at the line here, and I'm trying to figure out what is going to be my denominator this time because last time it was tenths. So what I decided is I'm going to count the spaces on the line, and I see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know my number line is in eighths. So my denominators should be in eighths today. All right, Miss Musso, do you want to go first today?
I think I want to let you go first.
All right, I will pick a number 1 through 8. Today I will try starting with 6. Oh, a word problem. All right, Sophia reads 7/8 of her book. Connor read 4/8 of the same book. How much more did Sophia read than Connor? Oh, I love it. I know that the words how much more means I'm comparing the numbers to see how they're different. So I'm going to be subtracting. So if I do 7/8, whoa, minus 4/8. Oh no, I just got expo marker on my favorite shirt.
Aww.
I will be doing 7/8 minus 4/8, or 7 minus 4, which would be 3/8. So I'm going to go ahead and put 3/8 on the line. Right there. All right, Miss Musto. Oh, look at
I
me.
have a helper today.
Aw, everybody say hi. Whoop, whoop.
All right. I would like number 4.
All right, number 4. Oh, Miss Musto. Name a fraction equivalent to 4/4.
Well, I know when the numerator is the same as the denominator, it's always equal to 1 whole. So,
Yes.
1 whole is also equal, and we're talking about eighths today, right?
I think so
So
far.
I think we have to go with 8/8.
Oh, Miss Musto, you're so good. All right, I'm going to take number 3. 3 inches is what fraction of a foot? Uh-oh. This is not in eighths. So I'm going to have to figure this out. So if I know a foot is 12 inches, and I'm going to say that 3 inches is 3/12 of a foot. How can I get that on this number line? Maybe I can put my number line into fourths also, and that might help me out. So I know if I split it in half, that would be 2/4, and half of 2/4 is 1/4. So I'm going to try it that way. So to be able to get 3/12 into fourths, that means I need to reduce it. So I see I can divide both of these numbers by 3. So 3 divided by 3 and 12 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So I get 1/4. So I'm going to put 1/4 on the line for me. All right, Miss Musto.
Okay, I would like number 7.
Number 7 says, name a fraction equivalent to 2/4.
2/4, and we're dealing with eighths. So I know that in order to get to eighths from fourths, I need to double my fourths, which means I need to double my numerator and my denominator, which means I'm multiplying them both by 2. So 2/4 is the same as 4/8. But do you know what it's also the same as?
What's that?
1/2.
Oh, that's so awesome. Hey, we talked about the other day in calendar grid. That's so great, Miss Musto. Wonderful job. All right, I'm going to pick number 1. Eloise did gymnastics for 45 minutes. What fraction of an hour did Eloise spend doing gymnastics? Well, we know, because we've been working on this in our calendar collection, that we're going to make the fraction 45/60ths. And we also were putting our fractions in quarters because we know that in 60 minutes there are 4 quarters. When we split our clock into 4, and then each of those quarters, we found out this week that there's 15 minutes. So we also, when we did our spinner, saw that 3 spins is 45 minutes. So that tells me that 45/60ths of an hour is the same as 3/4 of an hour.
Boy, Mrs. Kane, you are getting some hard ones.
I sure am, but it's a great time. We're having fun.
Yes, we are.
That's right.
Have we picked number 2 yet?
We have not picked number 2. Number 2 says Franco had 1/4 of a pizza. He gave half of his pizza to his brother. How much pizza did Franco give to his brother?
So if he had 1/4 of it, so I'm cutting my pizza into fourths. I'm not sure if I understand the question. He ate 1/4 of it. Did he? Wait a second. Oh, okay. Hold on. Can you read it one more time?
He had 1/4 of a pizza.
Okay. I thought he ate 1/4 of a pizza.
No.
So he gave his brother half of that 1/4.
Yes.
That's right? Okay. So I know that a pizza, 1/4 of a pizza, if I'm going to cut my 1/4 in half, I know that a pizza has 8 slices. I could cut my pizza into 8ths, right?
Yeah.
And 1/4 of that would be 2/8 of a pizza, if I'm drawing it correctly here. And then, so if 1/4 of a pizza is 2/8, then half of the 1/4 is 1/8.
Oh, that's so great. 1/8. That was a tough one, Musto.
I don't know. I think yours was tougher. The cloth.
Oh, I think we're on a roll here. We're doing pretty well. That's what I would say.
Getting smarter by the minute.
That's right. That's exactly right. All right, so I'll pick number 5. Okay. Amir is running 1 mile. He has 1/8 of a mile left to complete the mile. How far has Amir run so far?
I think you're going to win today.
Oh, I don't know. So I know, like Miss Musto just told us, 1 whole is the same as 8/8. If he only has 1/8 left, that means that he has run all the rest. So I'm going to do 8/8 minus 1/8, and I would get 7/8. So he has run 7/8 of the mile. How does that sound to you, Miss Musto?
That is perfect.
Oh, good. All right, Miss Musto, are you ready for your last clue?
Yes, indeedy.
Leo, it's pizza. Leo bought a pizza with 8 slices. He ate 3 slices. What fraction of the pizza does Leo have left?
I'm so lucky. This is so easy. I love pizza, and I love pizza problems.
Oh, good.
So, if the pizza is cut into 8 slices and he ate 3 of the slices, he has eaten 3/8 of the pizza.
He ate 3 slices, but what does he have left?
Oh, I'm sorry, see? It's always important to go back and reread.
That's right.
5/8 of the pizza left.
He had 5/8 of the pizza. That's exactly right. All right, so my score I'm going to leave as a challenge question.
Oh.
And see if anybody can get it. And if not, in the comments, then I'll let you guys know on next week's Put It on the Line game. But let's see if we can get Miss Musto's score. All right, Miss Musto, you ready?
Yep.
You have 8/8,
Mm-hmm.
or 1 whole, 4/8, 1/8, and 5/8.
Okay, so my 4/8 and my 1/8 makes 5/8, and my 5 and 5 makes 10/8, and then 10 and 8 makes 18/8 is my score.
18/8 is Miss Musto's score. All right, so let me give you, do you think I should give him a hint, Miss Musto, about my score?
I think you should.
I think so too. So 2 of my scores were in fourths, and if you look right here, I changed them into 8s. Sorry, Miss Musto.
No problem.
I said, all right, 1/4. How do I get from 4 to 8? So I just times it by 4 times 2 is 8. So I have to do that on the top too. 1 times 2 is 2. So I got 2/8 are equivalent to 1/4. So the next one was 3/4. So I had to say to myself, 4 times what is 8? So everything can be in 8s. Hey, it's times 2 again. So I just times my denominator and my numerator by 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and 4 times 2 is 8. All right, so everyone, your challenge is, ready? Get your pencils, everyone. I will post this also in the question, and you can comment on it. My score will be adding 3/8 plus 2/8 plus 6/8 plus 7/8. I wonder what it could be.
I wonder who's going to win.
I don't know. Well, Miss Musto, thank you for joining us again. And
It's my pleasure.
I hope we get to see you again next week. You know what? I think I skipped game 2 and went ahead and played game 3.
Yep.
Hey, that's all right.
That's okay.
We'll play it next week.
It was all about the pizza for me.
That's right. I might get pizza for dinner now. You never know.
You never know.
That's right. All right.
Bye, boys and girls.
Bye. See you guys tomorrow.